Good evening, guys.
Good evening, sir.
How are you doing?
I'm good, thanks and you.
Great. How's your life?
It's glorious.
Let's start.
Barmaids.
हाँ?
Barmaids.
पढ़ने का मन है नहीं?
I want to study.
है कि नहीं?
I want to study.
I wanna
Study.
study. बोलो.
I want to study.
तुम्हें पढ़ने का मन है नहीं?
Do you want to teach?
Do you wanna
Teach.
teach? बोलो.
Do you want to teach?
Yes.
I want to teach.
I wanna
Teach.
teach. बोलो.
I want to teach.
हैं?
I want to teach.
ना बोलो कुछ.
I want to teach.
I wanna
Teach.
teach क्या?
I want to teach.
जो पढ़ाओगे?
Will you teach?
पढ़ाओगे?
Will you teach?
Will you teach क्या?
Will you teach?
Will you
Teach.
teach? बोलो जी.
Will you teach?
हैं?
Will you teach?
क्या?
Will you teach?
ना.
I will not teach.
हैं?
I will not teach.
I will not
Teach.
अरे बोलो भाई.
I will not teach.
चले I will not teach today because it's your conversation class today. आज आपका conversation class है. घर पे कैसी प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हो वो मैं देखना चाहता हूँ. कैसी प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हो तुम घर पे जाकर के. Got it?
Yes, got it.
हैं?
Yes, got it.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
हैं?
I'm ready.
I am
Ready.
ready. बोलो.
I'm ready.
तो who will come first? कौन आएगा पहले? अच्छा इतने सारे आप खड़े हुए पहले. अच्छा रे. अच्छा जी. एक काम करो भाई. हैंड डाउन अब हैंड डाउन कर लो. अब हम अपने हिसाब से बुलाते हैं. ठीक है. ये तो देखते हैं किस किस में हिम्मत थी भाई आने की पहले. चलो भाई. योर नेम क्या नाम है? मोहित. आ जाओ. मोहित एंड हिमांशु. हाँ आ जाओ.
Do you learn English?
Yes, I learn English.
Does your friend learn English?
My friend learns English.
Did he learn English?
He learned English.
Will he learn English?
He will learn English.
Are you learning English?
Yes, I am learning English.
Is he learning English?
He is learning English.
Have you learned English?
Have you learnt English?
Have you learned English?
No, I have not learnt English.
Has he learned English?
He has learnt English.
वन टू को लेकर पूछो. वन टू को लेकर पूछो. वन टू को. डू यू वांट टू लर्न इंग्लिश? पूछ लिया क्या? अब पूछो. डू यू वांट टू लर्न इंग्लिश?
Do you wanna learn English?
Yes, I want to learn English.
दोस्त के बारे में पूछो. दोस्त चाहता है कि नहीं तुम्हारा सीखना?
Do you work hard?
Yes, I work hard.
Do you wanna friend work hard?
Does your friend wanna work hard?
Repeat again.
You ask Himanshu.
Do you mop the floor?
I move the floor.
Does he mop the floor?
I do not move the floor.
You are making mistake. Does he mop the floor?
Does he mop the floor? तीसरे के बारे में पूछा है.
He does not move the floor.
Did you mop the floor?
I move the floor.
Did he mop the floor?
He did not move the floor.
Will you mop the floor?
He will move the floor.
You are making mistake.
Will he move the floor?
You are making mistake. Will you mop the floor?
He will move the floor.
You are making mistake.
Will you mop the floor? He is asking about you. अरे तेरे बारे में पूछा है. तू लगाएगा पोछा नहीं लगाएगा?
I do not.
I do not. I will not.
I will not move the floor.
Are you mopping the floor?
I do not mop.
आर यू मोपिंग द फ्लोर का आई डू नॉट हो जाएगा आई एम नॉट
I'm not mopping the floor.
Is he mopping the floor?
He is mopping the floor.
Have you mopped the floor?
He have
हैव यू
mopping
अरे पूछा है हैव यू आई हैव आंसर आएगा आई हैव से तो
I have mopping the floor.
मोपिंग हो जाएगा मोप्ड होगा आई हैव मोप्ड द फ्लोर मैंने लगा दिया पोछा लगा जाए पोछा
Has he mopped the floor?
He has mopping the floor.
You are making mistake.
ही हैज मोप्ड द फ्लोर कुछ मेहनत की प्रैक्टिस की घर पे जाके कैसी की ऐसी की है अरे फैशन का चक्कर में लोवर भी काट लिया है ये भी काट लिया है डॉट सीट क्लैप फॉर देम चलिए नेक्स्ट मोनिका मोनिका काम एंड चाहत
Good evening, guys.
Good evening, ma'am.
How are you doing?
I'm good, thanks, and you?
You do how's your life?
It's glorious.
It's fantastic.
Good evening, guys.
Very good evening, ma'am.
How are you doing?
I'm good, thanks, and you?
Way to have your life?
It's glorious.
It's fantastic.
अच्छा जी इतनी जल्दी और स्पीक लाउड ले अच्छे से बोलना है जोर से जो आवाज जाए नीचे काम तक
Do you make the bed?
No, I did not make the bed.
Does he make the bed?
He made the bed.
You are making mistake.
डज ही मेक द बेड आंसर क्या होगा ही मेक द बेड होगा ही मेक्स द बेड होगा
Makes the bed.
Did you make the bed?
I did not make the bed.
Did he make the bed?
He did not make the bed.
Will you make the bed?
I will not make the bed.
Will he make the bed?
He will not make the bed.
Are you making the bed?
I'm not making the bed.
Is he making the bed?
He's not making the bed.
Have you made the bed?
हैव यू मेड द बेड
Have you made the bed?
I have not made the bed.
He has made the bed.
ही हैज मेड द बेड
Has he made the bed?
He has not made the bed.
Can you make the bed?
I cannot make the bed.
Should I make the bed?
You should not make the bed.
Should I?
अच्छा
You are making mistake.
हैं, क्या गलती क्या हो गया सही तो है सुडाय अपने लिए तो पूछा तुमने इनके लिए तो नहीं पूछा सुडी मेक द बेड अपने लिए पूछा अपने लिए सलाह ले रहे हैं इनसे
Do you wanna make the bed?
I do not wanna make the bed.
Does he wanna make the bed?
He does not wanna make the bed.
Did you wanna make the bed?
I did not wanna make the bed.
Did he wanna make the bed?
He did not wanna make the bed. You work hard.
I work hard.
Does your friend work hard?
My friend works hard.
Did you work hard?
I worked hard.
Did you work hard?
He did not work hard.
Are you working hard?
I am working hard.
Will you work hard?
I will work hard.
Will you work hard?
He will work hard.
Have you worked hard?
I have worked hard.
Has he worked hard?
He has worked hard.
हैज ही वर्कड हार्ड यस
Can you work hard?
I can work hard.
Can you work hard?
He can work hard.
Should I work hard?
You should work hard.
Do you wanna work hard?
I wanna work hard.
Does your friend wanna work hard?
My friend does not wanna work hard.
Did you wanna work hard?
I did wanted to work hard.
You are making mistake.
I wanted work hard.
I wanted to.
I wanted to work hard.
Did he work hard?
He did not.
Did he wanna work hard?
He did not want to work hard.
Okay, go to sit, clap for them. Rohit. Yes, your name, Rimanshik Brar में.
तो इसको अगेन दे
क्या बोला?
मैं स्क्रीन दे
हाँ.
बड़ी
चलो दादा 5 रुपया कर लो जेब ढीली अपने. मानते ही ना. मानोगे? राजी राजी गैर राजी मनवा लेंगे हम.
Good evening, guys.
Good evening, sir.
Howdy.
I'm good, thanks, and you?
Me too. How's your life?
It's glorious.
It's fantastic.
गुड इवनिंग गाइस
Good evening, sir.
हाउ आर यू डूइंग
I'm good, thanks, and you?
गुड हाउ इज योर लाइफ
It's glorious.
इट्स स्प्लेंडेड डू यू टेल अ लाई
I do not tell a lie.
डज ही टेल अ लाई
He tells a lie.
डिड यू टेल अ लाई
I did not tell a lie.
डिड ही टेल अ लाई
He told a lie.
विल यू टेल अ लाई
I will not tell a lie.
विल ही टेल अ लाई
He will tell a lie.
इज ही टेलिंग अ लाई
He is not telling a lie.
आर यू टेलिंग अ लाई
I am not telling a lie.
हैव यू टोल्ड अ लाई
I have not told a lie.
हैज ही टोल्ड अ लाई
He has not told a lie.
डू यू वांट टोल्ड अ लाई टेल अ लाई
Tell a lie. Yes, good.
डू यू वांट टेल अ लाई
I want to not tell a lie.
डज ही वांट टेल अ लाई
क्या पूछा? फिर से पूछो.
डू यू वांट टेल अ लाई
हाँ.
I want to not tell a lie.
I do not wanna tell a lie.
I do not want to tell a lie.
डज योर फ्रेंड वांट टेल अ लाई
My friend does not want to tell a lie.
Did he want to tell a lie?
He did not want to tell a lie.
Did you want to tell a lie?
I did not want to tell a lie.
You ask, तुम पूछो.
Do you make the bed?
Yes, I make the bed.
Does your friend make the bed?
My friend makes the bed.
Did you make the bed?
Did you make the bed? Make ही तो आएगा. फर्स्ट फॉर्म में तो आएगा. मतलब
Did you make
action.
the
I
bed?
did not make the bed.
Did he make the bed?
He made the bed.
Will you make the bed?
I will not make the bed.
Will he make the bed?
He will make the bed.
Are you making the bed?
I am not making the bed.
Is he making the bed?
He is making the bed.
Have you made the bed?
You are making mistake.
Have you made the bed?
Have you made?
Have you made the bed?
I have not made the bed.
Has he made the bed?
He has made the bed.
Can you make the bed?
Oh, I cannot make the bed.
Can he make the bed?
He can make the bed.
Do you wanna make the bed?
I do not want to make the bed.
Did he wanna make the bed?
He wanted to make the bed. He wanted to make the bed.
Okay, go to sit. Clap for them. चलो भावना. Stand up. Stand up. शिवानी. आवाज तो निकालो भाई.
Good evening, guys.
Good evening, ma'am. I'm good, thanks, and you?
Me too. How's the life?
It's glorious.
And yours? Do you steal money?
Speak loudly.
Does you steal money? Did you steal money? I did not. Did you steal money?
डिड यू स्टील मनी? आपने पैसे चुराए थे कि नहीं?
I did not.
हाँ.
Did he steal money?
ही स्टोल मनी. स्टोल स्टील की सेकंड फॉर्म स्टोल.
Did he steal money? I will not steal money. Will you steal money? He will steal money.
आस्क. सब पूछो भाई. क्या हुआ? पूछो. आर यू स्टीलिंग मनी?
Are you stealing money? I am not stealing money. Is he stealing money? Is he stealing money?
He is not stealing money.
He is not stealing money.
Can't speak loudly.
Have you stolen money?
Have stolen. Steal, stole, stolen.
Have you stolen money? I have not stolen money. Has he stolen money? He has stolen money. He has not stolen money. Can you steal money? I cannot steal money. Can you steal money? He can steal money. Should I steal money?
अपने लिए सलाह ले रहा है. मुझे पैसे चुराने चाहिए कि नहीं?
Should I steal money?
अपने लिए पूछ रहे हैं. मैं पैसे चुराऊं ना? कहते यू शुड नॉट स्टील. गंदी बात है. यू शुड नॉट स्टील मनी.
You should not steal. Do you want to steal money?
आई डू नॉट वाना स्टील मनी. थोड़ा जोर से बोलो. कैसे बीमार हो गए? भावना आर यू सिक? बीमार हो गए? फिर तो तेज से कैसे नहीं बोल रहे?
Does he want to steal money? Does he?
Okay, go to the seat. Clap for them. Pirveen. अजीत.
Good morning, guys.
कोई नहीं हो जाता जल्दबाजी में. क्यों से भाई?
Howdy. I'm good, thanks, and you? Is your life? It's glorious.
कोई नहीं. डरो मत. आराम से रिलैक्स होके. ओके. कोई जल्दबाजी नहीं. बिल्कुल हम फुर्सत में हैं. तो यस.
Good evening, guys.
Very good evening, sir.
How are you?
I'm good, thanks, and you?
Me too. How's the life?
It's glorious.
Fanta plus.
घंटा प्लस.
It's fantastic.
यस. गुड.
You peel mango? You take liquor?
I do not take liquor.
Does he take liquor?
He did not take liquor.
Did he take liquor?
He did not take liquor.
Did you take liquor?
He did not take liquor.
Did you?
Did
are
you?
making mistake.
Did you? ओके. कोई नहीं. Did you take लेकर? हाँ.
He did not take liquor.
ना अपने बारे में तुम्हारे बारे में पूछ रहे हैं.
I did not take liquor.
Good.
Will you take liquor?
Will I will not take liquor.
Good.
Will he take liquor?
He will not take liquor.
Are you taking liquor?
I am not taking liquor.
I'm not taking.
Taking liquor.
Is he taking liquor?
He is not taking liquor.
Can you take liquor?
Can you take
Can you
liquor?
take liquor?
I cannot take liquor.
Should I take liquor?
You should not take liquor.
Good.
Do you wanna take liquor?
I do not want to take liquor.
I do not wanna good.
Does he wanna take liquor?
Does he wanna take liquor?
Does he wanna take liquor?
He does not want to take liquor.
Did you wanna take liquor?
I did not want to take liquor.
Did he wanna take liquor? Did he wanna take liquor?
I did not want to take liquor.
Did he?
I did not want to take liquor. He did not want to take liquor.
He did not. क्या कर रहे हो भाई? क्या पूछा?
Did he wanna take
तो
liquor?
he did not wanna take liquor.
He did not want to take liquor. You take tea?
Yes, I take tea.
Did he take tea?
He takes tea.
Did take tea? Did took tea?
I'm making mistake.
Took tea. Did you take
Did you take tea?
take tea? Did you take tea?
I did not take tea.
Did he take tea?
He takes tea.
हाँ बेटा.
He takes tea.
Will you take tea?
I will take tea.
Will he take tea?
He will take tea.
Are you taking tea?
I am not taking tea.
Is he taking tea?
He is not taking tea.
Can you taking tea?
Can you take
Take
tea?
tea.
I can take tea.
Have you take tea?
Have you taken?
I have taken tea.
Okay, go to the seat. Clap for them. Nisu. भूमिका.
Good afternoon, guys. How are you doing?
I'm good, thank you.
Me too. How's your life?
It's glorious.
It's splendid. Do you spread the cloth on the table?
Action change. भैया change action.
Do you turn up the volume?
Yes, I turn up the volume.
Does he turn up the volume?
He does turn up the volume.
You are mistake.
Does he turn up the volume?
You are making mistake.
He turns up the volume. He turns up.
Did you turn up the volume?
I did not turn up the volume.
Did he turn up the volume?
He did turn up the volume.
You are making mistake.
He turned up the volume.
He turned up the volume.
Can you turn up the volume?
I cannot turn up the
Turn up the volume.
Do you wanna turn up the volume?
I wanna turn up the volume.
Did he turn up the volume?
He did not turn up the volume.
Will you turn up the volume?
I will not turn up the volume.
Will he turn up the volume?
He will turn up the volume.
Are you turning up the volume?
I am turning up the volume.
Is he turning up the volume?
He is turning up the volume.
Have you turned up the volume?
I have not turned up the volume.
Turned up.
Turned up the volume.
Has he turned up the volume?
He has not turned up the volume.
You are making.
He has not turned up the volume. सही तो है. Turned नहीं क्या पा रहा है ना सही से ओके.
Turned.
Does he wanna turn up the volume?
He does wanna.
He wants to turn up the volume.
He wants to turn up the volume.
Should I turn up the volume?
He should.
Should I अपने लिए पूछ रहे हैं तो you should.
You should turn up the volume. Do you miss the bus?
I do not miss the bus.
He missed the bus.
You are
Does.
making mistake.
Does he miss the bus?
He does not miss the bus.
Will you miss the bus?
I will not miss the bus.
Will he miss the bus?
He will not miss the bus.
Are you missing the bus?
I am not missing the bus.
Is he missing the bus?
He is not missing the bus.
Have you missing the bus?
You are making mistake.
Has he missing the bus?
You are making mistake.
Has he missing the bus?
Has he missed?
Missed the bus.
He has not missed the bus.
Have you missed the bus?
I have not missed the bus.
Do you wanna miss the bus?
Do you wanna miss the bus?
I do not wanna miss the bus.
Do you not? Does he wanna?
No man.
Okay, no mention. Does he wanna?
Does he wanna miss the bus?
He does not wanna miss the bus.
Should you wanna?
Should you
miss the bus? Should you wanna miss the bus?
Should you miss the bus only? Wanna नहीं आया should के साथ.
I should not wanna miss the bus.
I should not miss the bus. She said, do not say wanna, okay? We don't use wanna with should.
I should not wanna.
I should not miss the bus.
I should
Wanna,
not miss the
wanna.
bus, the bus.
Can you miss the bus?
I can miss the bus. I can't miss the bus.
Can he miss the bus?
He can miss the bus.
It's over. Over. Everything is over.
No sir.
Which is left?
Should I?
Should I अपने लिए बचा चलो कोई ना बच गया तो बच गया. Go to sit clap for them. Ankit. Come. I have not prepared. Prepare ना करा. क्या? Why didn't you prepare? क्यों ना करा? करना चाहिए था भाई. मुकुल. पंकज.
Do you learn computer?
Yes, I learned computer.
Does he learn computer?
He learns computer.
Did you learn computer?
I learned computer.
Did he learn computer?
He did not learn computer.
Will you learn computer?
I will learn computer.
Will he learn computer?
He will not learn computer.
Are you learning computer?
I am learning computer. Not. I am not learning computer.
Is he learning computer?
He is learning computer.
Have you learned computer?
I have not learned computer.
Has he learned computer?
He has not learned computer.
Can you learn computer?
I can learn computer.
Can he learn computer?
He cannot learn computer.
Should I learn computer?
You should learn computer.
He should learn computer.
What?
Should he learn computer?
He should not learn computer.
Do you want to learn computer?
Yes, I want to learn computer.
Does he want to learn computer?
He does not want to learn computer.
Did you want to learn computer?
I did not want to learn computer.
Did you want to learn computer?
He did not want to learn computer. Do you read newspaper?
Yes, I read newspaper.
Does he read newspaper?
He reads the newspaper.
Did you read newspaper?
I did not read newspaper.
Did he read newspaper?
He did not read news.
Will you read newspaper?
I will not news paper.
You are making mistake. Will you read newspaper?
I will not read newspaper.
Will he read newspaper?
He will not news
He will not
read newspaper.
read newspaper.
Are you reading newspaper?
I am not reading newspaper.
Is he reading newspaper?
He is not reading newspaper.
Have you read newspaper?
I have not
I have not read.
read paper.
Has he read newspaper?
He has not read paper.
He is not read.
Can you read newspaper?
I can not read newspaper.
Should I read newspaper?
You should read newspaper.
Do you wanna read newspaper?
I wanna read
Read.
newspaper.
Does he wanna read newspaper?
He does not wanna read newspaper.
Did you wanna read newspaper?
I did not wanna
I did not wanna read.
Did he wanna read newspaper?
He did not read newspaper.
He did not wanna. Okay, go to your seat. Clap for them. चंचल, नेहा, speak loudly.
Do you speak English? Yes, I speak English. Does he speak English? He speaks English.
थोड़ा जोर से बोलो भाई दोनों.
Did you speak English?
Did you speak English? Did you speak भी?
Did you speak English? I spoke English. Did he speak English? He spoke English. Will he speak English? He will speak English. Will you speak English? I will speak English. Are you speaking English?
Yes.
Speaking English? I am speaking English. Is he speaking English? He is speaking English. Have you speak English?
Have you spoken?
Spoken English? I have spoken English. Has he spoken English? He has spoken English. Can he speak English? He can speak English. Should you speak English? I should speak English. Do you wanna speak English? I wanna speak English. Does your friend speak English? My friend wanna speak English.
My friend wants to speak English.
My friend wants to speak English. Do you learn computer? Yes, I learn. Does he learn computer? He learns computer. Will you learn computer? I learn computer. Will you learn computer? I will learn computer. Will you learn computer? He will learn computer. Are you learning computer? I am learning computer. Is he learning computer? He is learning computer. Have you learned computer? I have learned computer. Has he learned computer? He has learned computer. Should I learn computer?
You should learn computer.
You should learn computer. Can you learn computer? Yes, I can learn computer. Do you wanna learn computer? Yes, I wanna learn computer. Does he wanna learn computer? He wanna learn computer.
He wants to. Go to seat, clap for them. Ask Muhammad. Tarun.
Do you speak English? Did you speak English?
Speak loudly.
Did you speak English?
I speak English.
I spoke.
I spoke English.
Did you speak?
अरे पूछ तो लिया, डिड यू स्पीक इंग्लिश या पूछ तो लिया.
May I speak English?
हाँ,
Sir, did you speak?
डिड के संग स्पॉक कैसा आ जाएगा. डिड ही पूछा, डिड ही स्पीक इंग्लिश.
Did you speak English?
ही डिड ही स्पॉक इंग्लिश. अरे डिड ही स्पीक इंग्लिश पूछा है. हाँ तो फिर ऐसे बोल.
Why is it not coming?
Did you speak English?
I spoke English.
अरे पूछ. पूछ रहे हिंदी में. बिल्कुल भी ना. पूछ जल्दी से.
Sir, may I speak English?
हाँ हाँ तुम पूछो चलो.
Do you take me?
I did it.
Do you take me?
I did it.
हाँ कोई नहीं, पूछो. सही पूछ रहे हो.
Do you going to market?
डू यू गो टू मार्केट.
Do you go to market?
थोड़ा डू से और आगे बढ़ो. डच पे भी पूछो, डिड भी सबको लो ना.
Did you going to market?
नो नो नो. डिड यू वाना
Going to market?
गो टू मार्केट.
Yes, I go to market.
डिड यू वाना गो टू मार्केट. आंसर क्या होगा. आई वांटेड टू गो टू मार्केट.
Yes, I wanted to go to market.
Did you wanna take milk?
Yes, I wanna take milk.
आई वांटेड टू.
I wanted to take milk.
Did you wanna newspaper?
डिड यू वाना रीड न्यूज पेपर.
Did you wanna read newspaper?
Yes, I wanna.
आई वाना आई वांटेड टू.
I wanted to newspaper.
आई वांटेड टू न्यूज पेपर. आई वांटेड टू रीड न्यूज पेपर.
I wanted.
आई वांटेड टू रीड न्यूज पेपर.
I wanted to
रीड न्यूज पेपर.
read newspaper.
Did you wanna
Sir is saying something.
हाँ.
So he wants to go outside because of back pain.
did you wanna make the bed? Did you wanna
प्रैक्टिस करना कुछ. गो टू सीट, क्लैप फॉर देम. दीप्ति. सगुन.
Good evening, guys.
है क्या है. चलो. यस. थोड़ा तेज से बोलो. क्या करना चाह रहा है. यू आस्क. तुम पूछो रहे हो कर रहे हैं.
No.
नो नहीं पूछ सकते. चलो तुम्हें पूछ लो तो पहले. यू आस्क.
I count them. I count money.
Does he count money?
He counts money.
Did he count money?
He,
Sorry. Did you count money?
I did count money.
आई काउंटेड मनी.
I count money.
Did he count money?
He did not count.
Speak loudly.
थोड़ा जोर से बोलो और थोड़ा सबको आवाज सुनाई दे.
Did you count money?
I will count money.
Did he count money?
He will count money.
Are you counting money?
I am counting.
Is he counting?
He is counting.
सुनो ध्यान से।
Are you counting?
I have counted.
Have you counted?
He has counted.
Can you count me?
I can count it.
Will I count me?
You count.
Tell me.
You should count
You
money.
should count.
Do you want to count me?
I want to.
I wanna count money.
Does he want to count me?
He doesn't wanna count.
He wants to count money. He डच के साथ आएगा फिर वाना आएगा।
Did you want to count me?
I want to.
I wanted to.
I wanted to count.
Does he wanna count me?
He does not wanna count.
He does not wanna. Okay, good. Yes.
Do you face difficulty?
क्या पूछा?
Do you face difficulty?
Do you face
Difficulty.
difficulty? परेशानी का सामना करना पड़ता है?
I do not face it.
Face difficulty.
Does he face difficulty?
He does not face it.
Will you face difficulty? Not. What is your problem?
Will he face difficulty? Yes. हाँ क्या हुआ?
Will you face difficulty?
He will face it.
Sir, he fight with her.
इधर
Sorry. Will you face difficulty?
अरे सीधे बैठा रहे।
Will you face difficulty?
Face difficulty.
Have you faced difficulty? Faced difficulty.
Have you faced difficulty?
I have not faced it.
Has he faced difficulty?
He has faced it.
Are you faced difficulty?
They are making mistake.
Are you facing difficulty?
I am not faced.
Is he facing difficulty?
He is not faced.
Can you face difficulty?
सुन तो लो, जवाब तो सुन लो। अपने क्वेश्चनों की बारिश करे जा रहे हो, आंसर भी सुनो अच्छे से।
I can't face difficulty.
Can you face difficulty?
I can't face
Okay, go to your seat. Clap for them. तो अभी प्रैक्टिस में कुछ कमी है, ठीक है, थोड़ी थोड़ी कमी है। जहाँ जहाँ कमी है वहाँ दूर करो। कभी ही के साथ डच भी लगा रहे हो, फिर क्या कर रहे हो, फिर 1 2 बोल रहे हो, तो डच 1 पे ऐसे हो जाएगा, ठीक है, तो गड़बड़ हो जाएगा। तो इसलिए उसको दूर करो। इसके अलावा थर्ड फॉर्म का भी गड़बड़ हो रहा है। डू डच में कोई पूछ रहा है यू के लिए, इतने हड़बड़ाहट है कि यू के लिए पूछ रहा है, ही के लिए आंसर कर रहे हो, ही के लिए पूछ रहा है, यू के लिए आंसर कर रहे हो अपने लिए। तो इस चीज को दूर करो। और यहाँ जो भी आए विद कॉन्फिडेंस बोले अपना अच्छे से तेज आवाज में, ताकि अच्छे से सभी सुन सके, समझ सके, अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस हो। ठीक है, सॉल्व फॉर टुडे और मीट आफ्टर टुमारो। कल के बाद मिलेंगे। वाई? बिकॉज टुमारो विल बी हॉलीडे बिकॉज ऑफ इलेक्शन है। इलेक्शन की वजह से छुट्टी रहेगी। सो कल नहीं आना है। सो आफ्टर टुमारो विल मीट, ठीक है, कल के बाद मुलाकात होगी। सो टिल देन माय साइड, नाइस मीटिंग यू।